This is a 1977 Jeep J10 extended cab. Motor, transmission, and transfer case go to Zach up at Z&M Jeeps tomorrow to get completely rebuilt. Here's the original 360. Frame's in great shape. The word special on the front is when it went through the factory as a special project. Rear end springs all are going this week. Frame's going to get dipped and epoxy coated. There's the bottom of the extended cab. This is getting dipped this week up in Michigan. The old bed, which I have another short box that's in perfect condition. More videos will be coming as I start putting her back together.